In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app, choosing Alarm section at the top left corner. When you're ready, tap on this plus at the bottom right corner to create your alarm. Then set up an hour. When you finished, select OK at the bottom right corner and then tap on Repeat. Now choose days of the week, in my case Fridays and maybe Mondays. Tap on Alarm text and label your alarm however you wish to. In order to save your label, choose OK in Alarm text pop-up. Now tap on More settings and then choose Alarm type at the top. Now select the best mode for you: sound and vibration, sound only, or vibration only. In my case, sound only. Then click on Alarm sound. Pick the best melody for you by tapping on the chosen one. And then save it by hitting OK at the bottom right corner. Finally, click on Allow in the pop-up. And if you wish to, choose Alarm sound again. This time though, scroll all the way down and by tapping on Add ringtone at the bottom, select music from your smartphone, click on it, and save it by hitting OK again. You can also enable or disable volume increase feature by clicking on this switcher next to it. Then tap on Snooze duration and select how many minutes your snooze will take. I will go with 24. To save your changes, hit OK in the pop-up. You can also click on Side Key Behavior and tap on one of those options, like Snooze. Last but not least, tap on Auto Silence Time. Pick the best option for you and hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to hide its settings, click on the top right corner of it. To see them again, select the same icon. If you wish to disable your alarm completely, tap on this blue bell and enable it by choosing No Gray one. To delete your alarm though, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Delete Alarms. Tap on the one that you wish to get rid of and select this bin at the top right corner again. As you can see, after that, it was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!